Well, right, 5 days after India launched Operation Sindoor, striking at the very heart of terror dens and terror hubs in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who hailed our forces. He gave them a resounding salute to the successful Operation Sindoor, which made Pakistan beg for mercy. Now, in its nearly 22-minute address, the Prime Minister sent out a clear and a direct message to Pakistan saying that India has zero tolerance on terror and India will no longer differentiate between terror, its perpetrators, or even its patrons. The Prime Minister has outlined that while it is not an era of war, it is also not an era of terror as well. In a stern warning issued to Pakistan, the Prime Minister has asserted that India also will not tolerate any nuclear blackmail and it will not deter from acting against terror trends. Now, also on talks with Pakistan, the Prime Minister underlined terror and talks cannot happen together. Trade and talks cannot happen together. Blood and water cannot flow together. And if there is any talks that will happen with Pakistan, it will be on the issue of terror. And also if any talks happen on Kashmir, then it will be on the rightful ownership and the return of the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which is an illegal occupation, the return to its rightful territory. This has been the message that has come in directly from the Prime Minister.
हमने पाकिस्तान के आतंकी और सैन्य ठिकानों पर अपनी जवाबी कार्रवाई को अभी सिर्फ स्थगित किया है। आने वाले दिनों में हम पाकिस्तान के हर कदम को इस कसौटी पर मापेंगे कि वो क्या रवैया अपनाता है। भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। हम अपने तरीके से अपनी शर्तों पर जवाब देकर रहेंगे। हर उस जगह जाकर कठोर कार्रवाई करेंगे जहां से आतंकी जड़ें निकलती हैं। निश्चित तौर पर यह युग युद्ध का नहीं है, लेकिन ये युग आतंकवाद का भी नहीं है। कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा। न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल की आड़ में पनप रहे आतंकी ठिकानों पर भारत सटीक और निर्णायक प्रहार करेगा। भारत का मत एकदम स्पष्ट है। टेरर और टॉक एक साथ नहीं हो सकते। टेरर और ट्रेड एक साथ नहीं चल सकते और पानी और खून भी एक साथ नहीं बह सकता।
Well, Pradeep and Yavar, who are connected with us, good morning to both of you. Pradeep, this has been the clear-cut message that came in from Prime Minister. You wiped the sindoor off the foreheads of our women who were there with their families enjoying when it comes to scenic Kashmir, and we have done exactly the same to you. We have wiped off your terrorists.
Yes, a very strong message coming from Prime Minister's side after Operation Sindoor was launched. And in this message, he clearly indicated, you rightly said, this basically Operation Sindoor is not a name, but it's a reflection of the feeling of millions of Indians. He said, this is the unwavering commitment of India towards justice. And he said that you wiped out the Sindoor of our sisters and we wiped out your terror hub. And he made it clear that there is talks and terror can't go together, talks and trade can't go together, water and blood will not flow together. And the message was also clear to United States of America, because recently Donald Trump had offered mediation so far as Jammu and Kashmir issue is concerned. He said that if there is going to be any talks in near future with Pakistan, that will be on terror, and that will be on Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, part that is illegally occupied by neighbor. So the message is loud and clear, because Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part. There is no need for any kind of a dialogue or mediation on that, if the mediation or anything is really required. And that is not required because it's again a bilateral issue. So the message is clear to the Donald Trump also. So one thing is clear, that in future also they are going to hit out at Pakistan if there is going to be any misadventure, because
Well, the Prime Minister said कि अगर उन्होंने हमारे सीमा पे प्रहार करा तो हमने उनके सीने पर अटैक किया, and this has been the counter that has come in the way of Operation Sindoor, which has been successful, however has only been halted with regards to any Pakistani misadventure. Then it would resume, because any act of terror immediately now converts into an act of war. Now with the calm